ॐ शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. लोकवीर्यं महापूज्यं सर्वरक्षाकरं विभुं पार्वतीहृदयानन्दं शास्तारं प्रणमाम्यहं। स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी द्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयम्। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുമ്പീരേണ്ടാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. Krishna Hare Jaya, Krishna Hare Jaya, Krishna Hare Jaya, Krishna Hare. Everyone, welcome to the class. I think inniki today we have a special chapter, right? 38 chapters, so Krishna Avataram. I think before we get into that, so let's see. I know others should be joining. Srividya, can you do 37?
Yes.
Okay. So நீங்க 37 and Vijay உங்களால பண்ண முடியுமா 37 as well?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So Srividya, you can go first and then Vijay can go second.
Sandranandatanohare nanupura devaisure sangare. Daivasure sangare. Tvatkritta api karma sesha vashato yetena yata gatim. Tesham bhutala janmanaditi bhuvam bharena durarditha. भूमिः प्राप विरिञ्चमाश्रितपदं देवैः पुरैवागतैः हा हा दुर्जन भूरिभारमतितां पातो निधौ पातुकाम् एतां पालय हन्त मे विवशतां सम्पृच्छ देवानिमान् इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलाप विवशाम् आलोक्य धाता महीं देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो धत्यौ भवन्तं हरे. ऊचेच्छां भुजभूरमूनैसुराः सत्यं दरिद्र्या वचः.
And we change it to Vacho. So Srividya, and the Satyam Daritriya Vacho nu போட்டோம்.
नन्वस्या भवतां च रक्षणविधौ दक्षो हि लक्ष्मीपतिः सर्वे शर्वपुरःसरा वयमितो घत्वा पयो वा रिधिं नत्वा तं स्तुवमहे जवादिधिययुः साकं तवाकेतनं ते मुग्धानिलशालिदुग्धजलधे तीरं गता संगता. Sangata.
We put a plus after that. So you have to say that. Yeah, you have to say that together. So on the Sangata, Yavat Tvatpada, that whole thing comes together till Manasaha.
Manasaha, okay. Te mukta nilashali dukta jalade tiram katha sangata yavat tat tvatpada chintanaika manasaha vatsapato chabuhu tvatvacham hridaye nishamya sakalan आनन्दयन्नु शिवान् आख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहं वाक्यं तदा कर्ण्यताम् जाने दीनदशामहं दिविशधां भूमेश्च भीमैर्नृपैः तक्षेपाय भवामि यादवकुले सोऽहं समग्रात्मना देवा वृष्णिकुले भवन्तु कलया देवाङ्गनाशच्छवानौ मत्सेवार्थमिति त्वदीयवचनम्. Chavanau.
Yeah, okay.
Devavrishnikuले Devangana Devavrishnikuले bhavantu kalaya Devanganaschavanau Matsevartamiti त्वदीयवचनं पार्थो जभूरुचिवान् श्रुत्वा कर्णरसायनं तव वचः सर्वेषु निर्वापितस्वान्तेष्वीश गतेषु तावक कृपा ईयुष तृप्तात्मसु विख्याते मधुरापुरे किल भवत् सान्निध्य पुण्योत्तरे धन्यां देवकनन्दनामुदवः राजा सशूरात्मजः उद्वाहावसितौ तदीयसहजः कंसोत सम्मानयन्
correct
okay सम्मानयन् एतौ सूततया गतः पतिरथे व्योमोत्थया त्वद्गिरा अस्यास्त्वाम् अतिदुष्टमष्टमसुतो हन्तेति हन्तेरितः सन्त्रासातसतु हन्तुमन्तिकगतां तन्वीं कृपाणिमदात् गृह्णानश्चिकुरेषु तां कलमितिः शौरेश्चिरं सान्त्वनैः नो मुच्छन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोतयातो गृहान्
in the first line
आद्यं त्वत्सहजम्
hello unga line இன்னைக்கு no I think yours is little your connection is little off your internet because I feel like
okay.
you're lagging and
இல்ல வீடியோ ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுங்க sometimes வீடியோ ஆஃப் பண்ணல bandwidth கிடைக்கும்
okay
ஏன்னா நாங்க ஆபீஸ் மீட்டிங்ல அப்படிதான் பண்ணுவோம் சமயத்துல
is it okay now
I mean we can hear you but it's like when I'm stopping you you're not able to pick me but that's fine so in the first line one is kalamatihi not
okay.
mitihi avladha when you can continue from the third line yeah
so okay आद्यं त्वत्सहजं तथार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ दुष्टानामपि देव पुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कदा तावत्त्वन्मनसैव नारदमुनिः प्रोचे स भोजेश्वरं यूयं नन्वसुरासुराश्च यदवो जानासि किं न प्रभो मायावी सहरिर्भवत्कृते
वदकृते
मायावी सहरिर्भवत्वदकृते भावी सुरप्रार्थनात् इत्याकर्ण्ययधू न धूधुनतसौ शौरेश्च सूनुनहन् प्राप्ते सप्तमगर्भताम् अहिपतौ त्वत्प्रेरणान् मायया नीते माधव रोहिणीं तवमपि भो सच्चित्तसुखैकात्मकः देवक्या जठरं विवेशित विभो संस्तूयमानसुरैः सत्वं कृष्ण विधूय रोगपटलीं भक्तिं परां देहि मे कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः
ओम कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः दशकं 37 कृष्णावतारः सान्द्रानन्दतनो हरे ननुपुरा दैवासुरे संगरे त्वत्कृता अपि कर्मशेषवशतो एतेन याता गतिं तेषां भूतलजन्मनां दितिभुवां भारेण दूरार्दिता भूमिः प्राप विरिञ्चिमा आश्रितपदं देवै पुरैवागतैः
இது வந்து விரிஞ்சம் ஆශ්ரிதபதம் okay not virinchim cham
okay virincham आश्रितपदं हा हा दुर्जन भूरि भारमतिथां पाथो निधौ पातुकाम् एतां पालय हन्त मे विवशतां सम्पृच्छ देवानिमान् इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलाप विवशाम् आलोक्य धाता महीम् देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दद्यौ भवन्तं हरे ऊचे चाम्बुजभूरमुनयी सुराः सत्यं दरित्र्यावचो नन्वस्या भवतां रक्षणविधौ दक्षो नन्वस्या भवतां च रक्षणविधौ दक्षो हि लक्ष्मीपतिः सर्वे शर्वः पुरःसरा वयमितो गत्वा पयो वारिधिं नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिति ययुः साकं तवाकेतनं ते मुग्धा निलशालि
just stop there and start the next stanza fresh. I think you mix the tune of the line.
Okay. ते मुग्धा निलशालि दुग्ध जलते तीरं गता संगता यावत् त्वत्पदचिन्तनैक मनसः तावत् सपातो जबूः त्वद्वाचं हृदये निशम्य सकलान् आनन्दयन्नूचिवान् आख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहं वाक्यं तदा कर्ण्यताम् जाने दीनदशामहं दिविषदां भूमेश्च भीमैर्नृपैः तक्षेपाय भवामि यादवकुले सोऽहं समग्रात्मना देवा वृष्णिकुले भवन्तु कलया देवाङ्गनाश्चावनौ मत्सेवार्थमिति त्वदीयवचनं पाथो जभूरुचिवान् श्रुत्वा कर्णरसायनं तव वचः सर्वेषु निर्वापितस्वान्तेष्वीश गतेषु तावक कृपा पीयूष तृप्तात्मसु विख्याते मधुरापुरे खिल भवत्सान्निध्य पुण्योत्तरे धन्यां देवकनन्दनामुदवहत् राजा स शूरात्मजः उद्वाहावसितौ तदीय सहजः कंसोऽथ सम्मानयन् एतौ सूततया गतः पतिरते व्योमोत्थया त्वद्गिरा अस्यास्त्वामतिदुष्टम् अष्टमसुतो हन्तेति हन्तेरितः सन्त्रासात् स तु हन्तुमन्तिकगतां तन्वी कृपाणीमधात् कृष्णानश्चिकुरेषु तां खलमतिः शौरेश्चिरं सान्त्वनैः नो मुञ्चन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोऽथ यातो गृहान् आद्यं त्वत्सहजं तथार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ तुष्टानामपि देवपुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कदा तावत्त्वन्मनसैव नारद मुनिः प्रोचे स भोजेश्वरं यूयं नन्वसुरासुराश्च यदवो जानासि किं न प्रभो मायावी स हरिर्भवद्वदकृते भावी सुरप्रार्थनात् इत्याकर्ण्ययधूनधूधुनदसौ शौरेश्च सूनूनहन् प्राप्ते सप्तमगर्भतां महिपतौ त्वत्प्रेरणान्मायया नीते माधवरोहिणीं त्वमपि भोः सञ्चितः सुखैकात्मकः.
And the Tomapi Boho, you just put the is there, right? So Tomapi Bo Sachit Sukaya.
Okay. Tomapi Bo Sachit Sukhaikatmakaha.
Sachit Sukhaikatmakaha. Not full third, just a half the. So Sachit
Sukhaikatmakaha. Devakya Jataram Viveshitha Vibho संस्थूयमानः सत्वं कृष्ण विधूय रोगपटलीं भक्तिं परां देहि मे. कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
Okay, so we'll go to 38 today. So Priya, you can be the student today because you're able to stay for the full class. Savita, can you be a student as well?
Sure, Rajesh.
Okay. All right, so we'll start with 38. So I was just telling Nikki in an auspicious day today, so we'll also do the Krishna Avataram. So we'll somehow I'll try to, because the story will take time, but I'll try to condense it so we can wrap it up today. So stanza 1. आनंद रूप भगवन्नयितेवतारे प्राप्ते प्रदीप्त भवदङ्ग निरीयमाणैः कान्तिव्रजैरिव घनाघनमण्डलैभ्याम् आवृण्वती विरुरुचे किल वर्षवेला. So in the last chapter 37th, the last stanza, we saw how it said that now you are getting into the womb of Devaki. Appadinchali Bhattatripat finished it in the 37th chapter. So here, so again, like 37, so Ananda Rupa Bhagavanai. So the entire bliss condensed into one. That's how it's always described, right? All through Narayaniam is describing Krishna in the same way. So that when your time approached, when your time to incarnate approached, right, and the appropriate time came, so Kila Varsha Vela, it was a rainy season. It started raining at the time all over. And and it was midnight, right? So Adamandit is again, midnight is really said in the next stanza. But at the time, what is happening is Gana Gana Mandalai. There is this dark clouds are actually spread everywhere. And the moon, which is actually getting covered by the clouds. So Bhattacharya is just poetically saying, and the cloud or the edge in the light is coming out, right? So the moon or the light is now coming out from the edge of the clouds. The moon is completely covered because of the dark clouds that are happening, and the bright light that is actually coming out is really an indicator of you eventually going to be coming out. So it's as if you are going to be coming out, and the very bright light is actually coming out, and the stage is set for your avataram to happen. That's just the first stanza. So Ananda Rupa Bhagavan, and the double na, small in and then a na. Okay, so Ananda Rupa Bhagavan Nai Tevatare, comma, Prapte Pradipta Bhavadanga Niriyamanahi Kantip Brajairiva Ghanagana Mandalair Dhyam. So next line la Mabrinvati. அப்படி இருந்தா அந்த ma remove பண்ணிட்டு third line la make it Mandalair Dhyam im, comma. The next line is Avrinvati Biruruche Kila Varshavela. And we'll do the 4 lines together. Ananda Rupa Bhagavannayite Vatare Prapte Pradipta Bhavadanga Niriyamanaihi Kantivrajairiva Ghana Ghana Mandalaibhyam Avrinvati Viruruche Kila Varshavela. Anipunga.
आनंद रूप भगवन्नयिते वतारे प्राप्ते प्रदीप्त भगवद अंग निरीयमानैः.
Bhavadanga, you can say it, Bhavadanga Niriyamanaihi. Say it together.
प्राप्ते प्रदीप्त भवदंग निरीयमानैः कान्तिव्रजैर्व
Brajair Iva.
कान्तिव्रजैरिव घनाघन मण्डलैर्भ्याम् आवृण्वती विरुञ्चे किल वर्षवेला.
Viruruche.
Okay. आनन्दरूप भगवन्नयिते वतारे प्राप्ते प्रदीप्त भवदङ्ग निरीयमानैः कान्तिव्रजैरिव घनाघन मण्डलैर्भ्याम् आवृण्वती विरुञ्चे किल वर्षवेला.
Then the underline Priya is Viruruche.
Viruruche. Okay.
Yeah.
Ananda Rupa भगवन्नयितेऽवतारे प्राप्ते प्रदीप्त भवदङ्गनिरीयमाणैः कान्तिव्रजैरिव घनागणमण्डलैर्द्याम् आवृण्वती विरुरुचे किल वर्षवेला आनन्दरूप भगवन्नयितेऽवतारे प्राप्ते प्रदीप्त भवदङ्गनिरीयमाणैः कान्तिव्रजैरिव घनागणमण्डलैर्द्याम् आवृण्वती विरुरुचे किल वर्षवेला
Stanza 2. आशासु शीतलतरासु पयोदतो यैः आशासिताप्तिविवशेषु च सज्जनेषु नैषाकरोदयविधौ निशिमध्यमायां क्लेशापहस्त्रिजगतां त्वमिहा विरासीः. So Asha, so all the directions. So in the Samhita, remember, if you remember in 37, right, the reason Krishna birth was happening was everybody went and complained that the earth, the Bhumi has become Bharam with all these kings doing bad things and all the atrocities that are happening. So other indicator is things are very hot. So now things are beginning to cool down. So all the directions, Asha, so every directions when things are beginning to cool down, because of the rainwater, the payoda toehi, because of the incessant rain that is actually pouring, and whatever everybody wished for, whatever people had anticipated for, when that time happened, right, where by Sajjaneshu, all the good people, when they wished for, when it was getting fulfilled, and Rama was born in the kind of in the day, right, when the sun was getting at its peak, because Rama was in the Surya Vamsham, right? Krishna is in the, because he's in the Chandra Vamsham. So when the moon was rising, so Naishakara Udaya Vidau. So when the moon was rising and right at Nishi Madhyamayam, and when it had reached the peak of its rising. So if you think of exactly, you can't say, hey, the moon rises only at 10 o'clock, sets. Okay, generally, when the moon is at the peak and when it is right at the time of midnight, so Nishi Madhyamayam, right at the middle of the moon rising and it has gone up to the top. So Kleshapaha Tri Jagatam. So one who removes the sorrows of all the three worlds. Tvam Iha Avirasihi. So you here appeared on earth. Right? So you did take birth on earth. So this is the stanza where Krishna is born. So this is like a lot of description, right? So here, when they say that the constellation of Rohini was there at the time of Rohini Nakshatram, and then all the planets were in a favorable position, because Rama Avatar, when you compare, they said that, well, Rama also, lot of the planets and everything was in the right position. There was one something, I don't know exactly what, and the Jatakatal they say that where he wouldn't complete everything. So there will be always something left. So even when he went to kill all the asuras, he would leave one asura would be left. And many examples are there where things wouldn't completely happen, and then he would get separated from his wife for 14 years, right? So in the Punarpusam Nakshatra, Rama was born. But Krishna would only when he was born, because he was the complete avataram, right, with the complete powers. So all the planets, everything were on the right spots, and so everything was set for that. And all the like in the Channamari, the Alakshmi, in a lot of places people started feeling positive, and there's a lot of description of what is actually happening. So that is, here is this is the Tom Iha Avirasihi. So you did take birth here, or you did appear here, right, is the right way. So even birth is not the right word, because you didn't quite take birth, right? It is kind of more like you appeared here on earth is the right definition for that. So Ashasu Shitala Tarasu Payoda Toyehi. So next line la Rasashi. Ra irundadnaka next line la remove the ra off and put a visarga at the end of the first line. Payoda Toyehi, comma. Next line is Ashasi. Start with the A. Ashasi Tapti Vivasheshu Cha Sajjaneshu. So Vivasheshu Cha Sajjaneshu. Naisha Karodaya Vidau Nishi Madhyamayam, comma. Kleshapahas Trijagatam. So that's where you can split it. Kleshapahas Trijagatam Tvamiha Virasihi. Asha Sushitalatarasu Payodato Asha Sitapti Bivasheshu Jasajjaneshu Naisha Karodaya Vidau Nishimadhyamayam Klesha Pahastrijagatam Tvamiha Virasihi.
आशासु शीतलतरासु पयोदतोयैः आशासितापि विवशेषु च सज्जनेषु नैषाकरोधय विधौ निशिमध्यमायां क्लेशापहस्त्रिजगतां त्वमिह विरासीः
Yeah, it's Tvam Iha Avirasihi, right? So you kind of, so but it will be, you say it together, it becomes Tvam Iha Virasihi.
आशासु शीतलतरासु पयोदतोयैः आशासिताप्तिविवशेषु च सज्जनेषु नैषाकरोदय विधौ निशिमध्यमायां क्लेशापहस्त्रिजगतां त्वमिह विरासीः
आशासु शीतलतरासु पयोदतोयैः आशासिताप्तिविवशेषु च सज्जनेषु नैषाकरोदयविधौ निशिमध्यमायां क्लेशापहस्त्रिजगतां त्वमिहाविरासीः आशासु शीतलतरासु पयोदतोयैः आशासिताप्तिविवशेषु च सज्जनेषु नैषाकरोदयविधौ निशिमध्यमायां क्लेशापहस्त्रिजगतां त्वमिहाविरासीः.
So இது சொல்லி முடிச்சிட்டு after stanza 2, so they gently say in the Narayana Narayana 16 times. So the one way to remember that is, if you know this tune, right? So see, you don't have to repeat it, but just make a note. Narayana 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 Narayana. So if you say that, it will come 16 times. Okay, so we say that at the end of the second stanza, right? And then normal Arati and everything happens, right? Because it's Krishna Avataram. Then I sent you all one stanza, right? So I'll teach how to say that. So I sent it in Sanskrit and also in English. The English translation may not be exact, so you kind of follow the thing. So so I'd say it and then we'll split it. तमद्भुतं भालकमम्बुजेक्षणं चतुर्भुजं शङ्खगदार्युधायुधं श्रीवत्सलक्ष्मं गलशोभिकौस्तुभं पीताम्बरं सान्द्रपयोदसौभगं महार्हवैडूर्यकिरीटकुण्डलत्विषा परिष्वक्तसहस्रकुन्तलम् उद्दामकाञ्च्यङ्गदकङ्कणादिभिः विरोचमानं वसुदेव ऐक्षत. So this is from Srimad Bhagavatam, when Krishna was born, right? So this is the stanza which comes there. And a little bit of this is covered in stanza 3 when we go there. So we'll cover the meaning for that there. So Hamadbhutam Balakam Ambujekshanam. Balakam Ambujekshanam, comma, Chaturbhujam Shanka Gadar Yuda Yudam. Gadar Yuda Yudam, comma, Srivatsa Lakshmam, small, not a full ksha, just a half ksha. Srivatsa Lakshmam Gala Shobi kaustubam, comma, पीताम्बरं सान्द्र पयोद सौभगम् तमद्भुतं बालकमम्बुजेक्षणं चतुर्भुजं शङ्खगदार्युधायुधं श्रीवत्सलक्ष्मं गलशोभिकौस्तुभं पीताम्बरं सान्द्रपयोदसौभगम्
तमद्भुतं बालकम् अम्बुजेक्षणं चतुर्भुजं शङ्खगदार्युधायुधं चतुर्भुजं शङ्खगदार्युधायुधं श्रीवत्सलक्ष्मं गलशोभिकौस्तुभं पीताम्बरं सान्द्रपयोधसौभगम् तमद्भुतं बालकम् अम्बुजेक्षणं चतुर्भुजं शङ्खगदार्युधायुधं श्रीवत्सलक्ष्मं गलशोभिकौस्तुभं पीताम्बरं सान्द्रपयोधसौभगम्
तमद्भुतं बालकमम्बुजेक्षणं चतुर्भुजं शङ्खगदायुधायुधं श्रीवत्सलक्ष्मं गलशोभिकौस्तुभं पीताम्बरं सान्द्रपयोदसौभगम् तमद्भुतं बालकमम्बुजेक्षणं चतुर्भुजं शङ्खगदायुधायुधं श्रीवत्सलक्ष्मं गलशोभिकौस्तुभं पीताम्बरं सान्द्रपयोदसौभगम्
महार्ह वैढूर्य किरीट kundala, and then you can put a plus, in case it's not there. So you say that entire line together. Kirita, Kundala, Tvisha. So it's a half tha is there and a V is there. So Tvisha, Parishvakta, Sahasra, Kuntalam, comma, Uddhama, Kanchangada, Kanchang, Gada, Kankanadi Bihi. After Kankanadi Bihi, comma. So Uddhama, Kanchang, Gada, Kankanadi Bihi, comma. Virochamanam, Vasudeva, Aikshata. Maharhavaidurya Kirita Kundala Tvisha Parishvakta Sahasra Kuntalam Uddhama Kanchangada Kankanadibihi Virochamanam Vasudeva Aikshata.
Maharhavaidurya Kirita Kundala Tvisha Parishvakta Sahasra Kuntalam.
Tvisha, this is extra. Tvisha, yeah.
Maharhavaidurya Kirita Kundala Tvisha Parishvakta Sahasra Kuntalam Uddhama Kanchyan Gada okay. Uddhama Kanchyan Gada Kankanadibir.
Bihi, make it Bihi. If you have a ir there.
Kankanadibihi.
Kankanadibihi. And then put a comma there.
Okay.
Virochamanam Vasudeva Aikshata.
Virochamanam Vasudeva Aikshata. Maharhavaidurya Kirita Kundala Tvisha Parishvakta Sahasra Kuntalam Uddhama Kanchan Gada Kankanadibihi. Kankanadibihi Virochamanam Vasudeva Aikshata.
महार्हवैडूर्य किरीटकुण्डलत्वमी त्विषापरिष्वक्तसहस्रकुण्डलम्
Kuntalam. Sorry, sorry.
कुन्तलम् ओके
Kuntalam. Yeah. No, sorry. In English, I must written it as T, but Sanskrit it is Ta. So I read from Sanskrit. Another, if somebody wants to correct it appropriately, feel free to do that.
Can you,
Okay.
Rajesh, can you send the text in Sanskrit? I
Sanskrit.
cannot read. I am not able to read this in
இல்ல I
English.
sent it in
இல்ல இல்ல
Sanskrit.
அதுக்கு முன்னாடி சான்ஸ்கிரிட்ல இருக்கு yes sent it the first picture in
first
Sanskrit
sent it in
I am
Sanskrit.
trying to
இங்கிலீஷ்ல
write
நிறைய
it down in
மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் இருக்கு.
என்னாச்சு?
இங்கிலீஷ்ல பயங்கர டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கு. இப்போ நீங்க
ஆமா ஆமா அது நான் வந்து சும்மா ரஃப் டிரான்ஸ்லேஷனா போட்டு வச்சேன் லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல யாரோ கேட்டான்னு சொல்லிட்டு so my but it not have exactly translated so if somebody wants to take a crack at or I can do it later today but Sanskrit if you know Sanskrit better to read from the Sanskrit text.
No, I just wasted my time writing it in Sanskrit and I've made a lot of mistakes. I have to listen to the YouTube video and
No,
correct.
well, Sanskrit should be there in the WhatsApp. The image is there.
Okay, yeah, I missed it.
I'll do from the start
Yeah.
महार्हवैडूर्य किरीटकुण्डल त्विषापरिष्वक्त्रसहस्रकुन्तलम् उद्दामकाञ्जन् गदकङ्गनादिभिः विरोचमानं वसुदेव ऐक्षत महार्हवैडूर्य किरीटकुण्डल त्विषापरिष्वक्त्रसहस्रकुन्तलम्
Vaktra illa Vaktra just the
Oh, Vakta, okay. महार्हवैडूर्य किरीटकुण्डल त्विषापरिवक्तसहस्रकुन्तलम् काञ्ज्यन् गदकङ्गनादिभिः विरोचमानं वसुदेव ऐक्षत.
okay we'll go to 3 बाल्यस्पृशापि वपुषा धदुषा विभूतिः उद्यत्किरीटकटकाङ्गदहारभासा शङ्कारी वारिजगधा परिभासितेन मेघासितेन परिलेसितसूतिः. So here Bhattacharya is now describing how Krishna was when he was born, which is kind of what this Bhagavata slogan which we said also describes, but that describes a little bit more. So Balya Sprishapi Vapusha, although you were just born as a small child by body, in size wise, in that, so Dadusha Vibhutihi, you actually came, when Krishna was born, he said you came with all the things that is required for you, such as Udyat Kiritam, so like a shining crown, that was the Udyat Kirita. Katakam is bracelets, right? Katakam. Then Angada is for the shoulder ornaments for the shoulder. Harabasa, so haram is necklace, right? So beautiful necklace. Shankam is the shank is conch. Ari, Shankari irukliya, so Shanka plus Ari. So Shanka is conch, Ari is referring to the discus, chakram. Varija Gada, so Gada is the mace, Gadai. Varija Gada is the lotus-like mace which has got the shape of a lotus. And similarly, Paribhasitena, Meghasitena, and you were beautiful and dark like the Meghasitena, like the rain-bearing cloud. So Krishna really is a combination of not necessarily, it's not, Krishna is not blue, right? Krishna is like the grayish, black, blue, under a combination, right? So, but over time, a lot of people didn't like black. So, they started making it blue. When North la pochinaka, they made Krishna white. In fact, in some of the slokas, they were telling in one Parayanam that I forgot who it was. When she was describing Krishna, she described him as white because they cannot comprehend like north part of India or somebody being dark, right? But Krishna, the right definition is color keta, like a dark rain bearing cloud. That's the correct color, right? That is there. So anyway, so with that, and parilesitena, so you kind of shined, right, with all these characteristics in Suti Gehe, in the birth chamber that you were actually born. So in the room, you have to remember context, right? So Devaki and Vasudeva are in the jail. It is probably completely dark, right? And cell ava matana irka, and then Krishna was born there, right? So இதே இது வந்து இந்த பாகவத ஸ்லோகம் which we just read, which we just chanted previously, that describes little bit more, right? So it says that you also had a Srivatsa mark, because if you remember and the idhula vande Srivatsa Lakshmam, so you also had a Srivatsa mark on your chest, and Galashobi Kaustubam, right? So you had the Kaustuba jewel necklace around your neck, and then Pitambaram, you had the yellow garment that Krishna was wearing. So you also had the yellow garment in that. And the Mari, it just describes a lot of things as well, right? As to how he was born. So that is essentially stanza 3. So Balya Sprishapi Vapusha Dhadusha Vibhutihi. So on the next line, Rudyat Sanskrit, remove the ra off and make it Vibhutihi. Visarga in the first line, comma. Next line is U. Start with the U. So Udyat Kirita Katakangada Hara Bhasa. Udyat Kirita Katakangada Hara Bhasa. Shankari Varija Gada Paribhasitena, comma. Meghasitena Parilesita Sutigehe. So if you break it like Shankari, Varija, Gada, Apipti, if you break it individual words, then you'll be able to say it easily, because you can also relate to what it is. Balyasprishapi Vapusha Dhadusha Vibhutihi Udyat Kirita Katakhangadahara Bhasa Shankari Varija Gada Paribhasitena Meghasitena Parilesita Sutigehe.
ராஜேஷ் அந்த விபூதின்னு இருக்கு என்னோட புக்ல, சின்ன உங்களத பெருசா விபூதிஹி இருக்கா, விபூதிஹி இருக்கா?
Long E.
ஓகே.
बाल्यस्पृशापि वपुषा ददुषा विभूतिः उद्यत्किरीटकटकाङ्गदहारभासा शङ्खारिवारिजगदा परिभासितेन मेघासितेन परिलेसितसूतिगेः बाल्यस्पृशापि वपुषा ददुषा विभूतिः उद्यत्किरीटकटकाङ्गदहारभासा शङ्कारिवारिजगदा परिभासितेन मेघासितेन परिलेसित I messed it up.
That's okay.
Sutigehe.
बाल्यस्पृशापि वपुषा धधुषा विभूतिः उद्यत्किरीटकटकाङ्गदहारभासा शङ्खारिवारिजगदा परिभासितेन मेघासितेन परिलेसितसूतिगेः बाल्यस्पृशापि वपुषा दधुषा विभूतिः उद्यत्किरीटकटकाङ्गदहारभासा शङ्खारिवारिजगता परिभासितेन मेघासितेन परिलेसितसूतिगेः.
Stanza 4. Vakshastali Sukanileena Vilasi Lakshmi Mandaksha Lakshita Kataksha Vimoksha Bhedaihi Tanmandirasya Kalakam Sakritam Alakshmim Unmarjayanniva Virejita Vasudeva. So Vasudeva is the father. Vasudeva is the son of Vasudeva, which is Krishna. So you have to be very careful when you say Vasudeva and Vasudeva, who you are referring, right? So here it's referring to Virejita Vasudeva. So referring to Krishna here, right? So O Krishna, O Vasudeva, so you were shining how? Bilasi Lakshmi. So Lakshmi was residing where? Sukanilina. Lakshmi was residing very comfortably, Vakshastali, on your chest. So when Krishna is saying, when you're describing Krishna, they're saying Lakshmi Devi is also residing comfortably on your chest. And Aksha Lakshita, so with her Kataksha Vimoksha, with her side glances, Lakshmi Devi is looking around. So when Lakshmi Devi is looking around, what happens is Kala Kamsa Kritam Alakshmi. So all the Alakshmi is referring to the inauspiciousness, right? So Lakshmi Devi's sister is Alakshmi. Lakshmi's opposite is Alakshmi. So all the inauspiciousness which is caused by Kamsa Kritam, what is actually caused by Kritam, is all going away because Lakshmi Devi is just casting her side glance in that place, Tat Mandirasya, in that temple or in that prison. So as Lakshmi Devi is looking around, all the inauspiciousness is going away because of that. So Vakshaha, if you have it, then you can put a is there to join it. So Vakshas Sthali Sukha Nilina Vilasi Lakshmi, long me, Lakshmi, and you can put a plus. Mandaksha Lakshita Kataksha Vimoksha Bhedaihi. Tan Mandirasya Kala Kamsa. So you have to, so Kala is one word, Kamsa is another word, right? So Kala Kamsa Kritam Alakshmim. So you break that Krita break that ma into im plus a. So Kritam Alakshmim. So next line la Munmarjayan. So remove that mu, make it Alakshmim im in the third line, put a comma. So Kala Kamsa Kritam Alakshmim, comma. Last line is U. Unmarjayan Niva. Unmarjayan Niva Virejita Vasudeva. Vakshastali Sukanilina Vilasi Lakshmi Mandaksha Lakshita Kataksha Vimoksha Bhedaihi Tanmandirasya Khalakam Sakritam Alakshmim Unmajayanniva Virejita Vasudeva.
Vakshastali Sukhanilina Vilasi Lakshmi Mandaksha Lakshita Kataksha Vimoksha Bedaihi Tanmandirasya Khalakam Sakritama Lakshmi Unmarjayanniva Virejita Vasudeva. Vakshastali Sukhanilina Vilasi Lakshmi Mandaksha Lakshita Kataksha Vimoksha Bedaihi Tanmandirasya Kalakam Sakritama Lakshmi Unmarjayanniva Virejita Vasudeva.
Rajeshwar, quick question. First line learning a Lakshmi kapra plus and so you have to break it at Mandaksha.
The two lines are pretty much together.
Okay.
And the front line is changed now. So okay. I just broke it as to appropriate places to say it together. So okay. Vilasi Lakshmi Mandaksha Lakshita Kataksha.
Okay. Vakshastali Sukhanilina Vilasi Lakshmi Mandaksha Lakshita Kataksha Vimoksha Bhedaihi Tanmandirasya Khalakam Sakritam Alakshmim Unmarjayanniva Virejita Vasudeva. Vakshastali Sukhanilina Vilasi Lakshmi Mandaksha Lakshita Kataksha Vimoksha Bhedaihi Tanmandirasya Khalakam Sakritam Alakshmim Unmarjayanniva Virejita Vasudeva.
Okay, go to 5. Shauristu dhira muni mandala chetasopi durastitam vapurudiksha nijekshanabhyam ananda bhashpa pulagodghama gadgadadraha tushtava drishti makaranda rasam bhavantam. So here Bhattirpad is saying this form of yours, so the form which we just described in the previous stanza. So even if somebody has to sit and meditate on it, even for the Dhira Muni Mandala, even the entire sages who are all over the world, it's very difficult for them to comprehend and then even meditate on it, right? Even think of it and meditate on it. And it's unapproachable. It's Dura Sthitam. It is so far away that it's even unapproachable for them to even think about it. So Shauri is Vasudeva, it will come in multiple places. So that Shauri, Vasudeva indeed, right, on Udiksha, on seeing this form, Ikshanabhyam, with his own eyes, he is able to actually see this form. So when he saw that, Ananda Bhashpa, he now had tears of joy because he's actually seeing this form. So he had tears of joy that was actually coming out. And Pulakodama. So Pulakodama is like in the Pullarikirdu, like all the hair is standing, right? He's getting that horripilation all over his body. And due to, the little bit of an excitement and little bit of, the surprise that he's getting there. And then Gada Adraha, like we said last time or sometime, 2 times Chonna Sanskrit, it's like double emphasis. So Gada Adraha is like his voice is like he's choking, he's not able to talk or say continuously, right? So he's choking. And Tushtava, and then he sang your praises, right, with all of that. And the sight of this, just looking at this, is as if it is for a bees. If your eyes are like bees, then this is like nectar. That's the comparison, right? So for how the bees go after nectar, and the sight of this was like that to Vasudeva, and he was not able to talk, and he was just choking. And I think later on we'll talk about why they were able to see this and all that, but I think that comes in the later stanza. So Shauristu Dhira Muni Mandala Chetasopi, comma, Durasthitam Vapurudhikshya Nijekshanabhyam Ananda Bashpa Pulakodgama. That Pulakodgama is together. So Pulakodgama Gadadraha. Gad id, and then Gadadraha. And the Draha, you can put a Visarga in the third line, comma. So Gadadraha, Visarga, comma. Then next line, remove the is that you have there in the fourth line. So Tushtava Drishti Makaranda Rasam Bhavantam. So Rasam, nectar. Drishti Makaranda Rasam Bhavantam.
Rajesh, in the first line, Cheta Sopi, it's like small e. Yeah, Cheta
Yeah,
Sopi.
small p. Yeah, Cheta Sopi. Shauristu Dhira Muni Mandala Cheta Sopi Dhurastitam Vapurudiksha Nijekshanabhyam Ananda Bhashpa Pulagodgama Gadgadadraha Tushtava Drishti Makaranda Rasam Bhavantam.
Shauristu Dhira Muni Mandala Chetasopi Durasthitam Vapurudikshya Nijekshanabhyam Ananda Bashpa Pulakodgama Gadhar Draha Gadardраha Tushtavadrishti Makarandarasam Bhavantam Shauristu Dhira Muni Mandala Chetasopi Durastitam Vapurudikshya Nijekshanabhyam Ananda Bashpa Pulakodgama Gadardraha Tushtavadrishti Makarandarasam Bhavantam.
Rajesh, or doubt. So on the, when you break at that Cheta Sopi, we accidentally tend to say as Cheta Sopi Abdina. So can we put a plus there so we don't mispronounce it? So we can chant like the first 2 lines together. So there won't be any mistake.
Yeah, I mean, if you want, if you feel that that's a risky portion, we can just put a plus there and say the 2 lines together.
Okay.
So that way you won't end up stretching that P.
Shauristu Dhira Muni Mandala Chetasopi दूरस्थितं वपुरिदीक्ष्य निजेक्षणाभ्याम् आनन्दबाष्पपुलकोद्गमगद्गदाद्रः तुष्टावदृष्टिमकरन्दरसम्भवन्तम्
The Vapuru
शौर्य
sorry Sabita Vapuru Dikshya Ru அது Vapuru
எங்க இருக்கு
second line
ஓகே ஆனந்த
Durasthitam
दूरस्थितं वपुरु दीक्ष्य ओके शौरिस्तु धीरमुनिमण्डलचेतसोऽपि दूरस्थितं वपुरु दीक्ष्य निजेक्षणाभ्याम् आनन्दबाष्पपुलकोद्गमगद्गदार्द्रः तुष्टावदृष्टिमकरन्दरसम्भवन्तम्.
stanza 6
I like the first one better. Soapy la stop பண்றது.
Okay, yeah, if you're comfortable stopping there, that's
I
fine.
tried both of them. First one I tried the chopping and next one I tried the set.
Rajesh,
I do the down around up arrow.
ஆமா
அப்படி போகும்போது up arrow போட்டுருவேன். When you have to stop with the low, then put a low. I mean, if you are not connecting with the plus.
correct
Gadgadatrahava hava.
Gadgadadraha
Ha.
yeah
Okay. Gadgadatraha. Hava hava.
hava
Gadgadatraha. Gadgadadraha. Which one?
விசர்கா இருக்கிறதுனால கத்கதார் திரஹ தானே வரும்.
Let's see.
and ha கிடையாது
Yeah, correct. Second.
Ha.
yeah
Okay.
it's just a visarga gadgadadraha
Gadgadatraha. Okay.
stanza 6 Deva prasida parapurushatapavallhi nirluna datra samanetra kala vilasin khedana pakuru kripa gurube katakshaihi ityaditena muditena chiram nuto bhuho. So the interesting thing, right, that they had in the description, one of the explanation was ipo okay we are sitting there, right, in the dark room. Suddenly Krishna just comes like this with இந்த நாலு கையோட சதுர்புஜமோட இப்படி எல்லாம் எடுத்து வந்தா like நம்மளுக்கே டென்ஷன் ஆயிடும். we all get scared, right? So no matter what, how many times we prayed and everything. So அதே மாதிரி even Vasudeva felt like that initially. They all, that's why in the previous stanza, right, so இந்த புல் அரிக்கிறது could be because of excitement, could be because of fear of any reasons. So anyway, eventually it takes time, right? So he settles down a little bit, right? And then he now gets the context of what this is. And then now he says, O Parapurusha, O Supreme Being, right? Nirluna Datra Samanetra Kalavilasin. So with your eyes, just by glancing, just by looking at various things, why don't you cut like the Tapavalli are all the creepers, right? So the creepers, the plants which actually grow, how you can take a sword and just chop everything off very easily. So in a similar way, just with your glances, with your eyes, why don't you cut Kedan Apakuru, all the sufferings which are actually there, right, which have been caused by Kamsa and caused by everybody else, why don't you completely chop everything off? And Ityadi Tena Muditena, and because of, and then Vasudeva then gets very happy and then he starts praising you for a really long time. So there are more details about Vasudeva. I know he does namaskaram to Krishna here, because he realizes that this is the actually supreme God who has been born. So because Krishna, when he was born, is right now still in that form, right? Because later on Devaki also prays and then they request. So right now Vasudeva does all that. And then he says, you know what, your brothers have all been killed by this Kamsa, so I'm so glad you have come here, and I'm hoping you can help eliminate all of these things. Vasudeva is telling all this to Krishna, and they're all very happy that he's born right now. So Deva Prasida Parapurusha Tapavalli, longly Tapavalli, put a plus, Nirluna Datra Samanetra Kala Vilasin. Kedan apakuru. You can say it together, Kedan apakuru. That's also good. Or if you want to break it, it will become Kedan apakuru kripa guru bihi. Put the ih to join it. So guru bih katakshaihi. So put a visarga at the end of the third line. Katakshaihi, comma. Next line la rityadi. Make it ityadi. So ityadi tena muditena chiram nuto bhuhu.
Rajesh, in the second line la nirlu nidatrava illa nirlu nadatrava.
Nirlu na.
Na, okay. The neen nirlu nadatra.
Did somebody else ask something?
Yeah, it was me. It's the same thing
I
because
think some books might have nirlu ni maybe then. Yeah.
I also had the same knee.
Deva prasida parapurushatapavallhi nirluna datra samanetra kala vilasin khedana pakuru kripa gurubih katakshaihi ityaditena muditena chiram nuto bhuho.
Deva prasida parapurushatapavallhi निर्लूनधात्र समनेत्र कालविलासिन् कलाविलासिन् केदानपाकुरु कृपा गुरुभिः कटाक्षैः इत्यादितेन मुदितेन चिरं नुतो भूः देवप्रसीद परपूरुषतापवल्ली निर्लूनदात्र समनेत्र कालविलासिन्
समनेत्र कलाविलासिन्
फर्स्ट लेने चल रहे हैं देव प्रसीद परपूरुषतापवल्ली निर्लूनदात्र समनेत्र कलाविलासिन् केदानपाकुरु कृपा गुरुभिः कटाक्षैः इत्यादितेन मुदितेन चिरं नुतो भूः
देव प्रसीद परपूरुषतापवल्ली निर्लूनदात्र समनेत्र कलाविलासिन् केदानपाकुरु कृपा गुरुभिः कटाक्षैः इत्यादितेन मुदितेन चिरं नुतो भूः देव प्रसीद परपूरुषतापवल्ली निर्लूनदात्र समनेत्र कलाविलासिन् केदानुपाकुरु कृपा गुरुभिः कटाक्षैः इत्यादितेन मुदितेन चिरं नुतो भूः
7 मात्रा च नेत्रसलिलास्त्रितघात्रवल्ह्या स्तोत्रैरभिष्टुदगुणः करुणालयस्त्वं प्राचीनजन्मयुगलं प्रतिबोध्यथाभ्यां मातुर्गिराधदिथमानुषबालवेषम्. So now Devaki is praying, right? So Devaki then goes and so she's telling Krishna, first of all is she also says, hey, I read nobody Vandadikku, she's so happy because of all the atrocities that Kamsan has done. And she also tells us this form that you are in right now, right? What if others see this form of yours? Because they don't realize who it is, and they might be thinking of the supreme God in as they may not be thinking of them as God, and they may be just thinking as human. So if they look at this form of yours, I don't know what they are going to say. So she's worried about that. And she's also worried about, although this is God, she's worried about Kamsa now coming and seeing this, because Kamsan has been killing all the children, right? And he knows his 8th son is of Devaki is going to kill him. So she's now saying, if Kamsa now comes and looks at you in this form as well, then what is he going to do? So she's now getting really worried, because she feels that if Kamsa sees in this form, he's going to get more aggressive about it, right? And she's also a little bit off balanced because of that. So so she then says, oh Krishna, why don't you go into Manusha Bhalavesham. Why don't you go into your regular human form, right? So that, we understand what it is. And so Devaki and Vasudeva got an idol which they have been worshipping, which has the Chaturbhujam and everything. And that is the idol which later on from Vasudeva, it actually goes to Krishna when Krishna goes to Dwaraka. And then eventually at the end, when Dwaraka, when the Pralayatla, when it is getting destroyed, Krishna then gives it to Uddhava, and Uddhava is not able to protect it, and then he gives it to Guru and Vayu, and that ends up in Guruvayur, right? So that original idol, and I'll tell you how Devaki and Vasudeva got it, but they've been praying with that idol. So she's saying, even though I have been praying with that idol, but when you come like this in form, right? So she says, I really want you as my child in a childlike form, not like in the form, she's telling. So then Krishna also here, Pratibodhya Kabhyam, you then explain to them Prachina Janma Yugalam, about their previous two births, right, of Devaki and Vasudeva. So Krishna then explains the context of why he was born to them or why they ended up being the parents of Krishna, right? So there was a rishi called Sutapas, and then he had a wife called Prisni. So in the Sutapa and Prisni, so they then go and do penance, I think about 12,000 years. This is like all the way back in Satya Yuga or sometime. So they go and do severe penance, and they don't have any children. And then, so Krishna then, Vishnu then appears in front of them, and they say, we want a child just like you. So then Vishnu says, no, you can't have a child just like me. There's only one person like me, but I myself will be born to you, right, in multiple of these yugas. So in the first adathla vandu, he is born as Prisni Garbha appdin solittu Vishnu is born. Then later on we saw in the Kashyapa and Aditi Vamana Avataram. So that was the other places, and this is the third birth, right, of Vasudeva Devaki, where Krishna is getting born. So Krishna is reminding them that this is not the first time that I am being born to you. This is your third birth where I am being born, right? He gives them a little bit of a context, right? And then he then becomes Manusha Bala Rupam, and then he takes a regular child form, right, with all of these other things gone. This was 7. Yeah. So Matra cha Netra Salilastrita Gatra Valya, comma, Stotrair Abhishtuta. You can either say Stotrair Abhishtuta or say it together as Stotrair Abhishtuta together. So Stotrair Abhishtuta Gunaha abdin irukku. So put a ih there to join it. So Stotraira Bishtuda Gunah Karunalayastvam Prachina Janma Yugalam Pratibodhya Thabhyam, comma, Maturgira Daditha Manusha Bala Vesham. Matra Chanetra Salila Strita Gatra Valya Stotrairabhishtuda Gunah Karunalayastvam Prachina Janma Yugalam Pratibodhyatabhyam Maturgira Dadita Manusha Bhalavesham.
Matra cha netra salila strita gatra valya stotrairabhishtuta gunah karunalayastvam prachina janma yugalam pratibodhyathabhyam matur giradadita manushabhalavesham. Matra cha netra salila strita gatra valya stotrairabhishtuta gunah karunalayastvam prachina janma yugalam pratibodhyathabhyam matur giradadita manushabhalavesham.
Matra cha netra salila sruta gatra valya stotrairabhishtuta guna karunalayastvam prachina janma yugalam pratibodhyatabhyam matur gira dadita manusha balavesham. मात्रा च नेत्र सलिलाश्रितगात्रवल्या स्तोत्रैरभिष्टुत गुणकरुणालयस्त्वं प्राचीनजन्मयुगलं प्रतिबोध्यताभ्यां मातुर्गिरा दधित मानुषबालवेशम्.
Stanza 8. त्वत्प्रेरितस्तदनु नन्दतनूजयाते व्यत्यासमारचयितुं स हि शूरसूनुः त्वां हस्तयोरधृतचित्तविदार्यमार्यैः अम्बोरुहस्तकलहंसकिशोररम्यम्. So then Krishna, when Vasudev is becoming a child, he is then telling Vasudeva, he is then indicating to Vasudeva to Vyatya Samara, to change the exchange, right, with Nanda Tanujaya, with the daughter of Nanda. So he's saying that you have to take me to Gokulam, and then Nanda has a daughter, and you're going to bring the daughter back here. So with that, Sahi Shura Sunuhu, the son of Shura Sena, which is Vasudeva, Tvam Hastayor Adita. So he then lifts you in his hands, and Bhattaripat says, Chitta Vidare Marya. He says, first of all, he said, to see the form that Krishna showed earlier itself, it is inconceivable to a lot of people, and Vasudeva was blessed to be able to even see that form. And now he says Vasudeva is even more blessed now to be able to lift Krishna in his own hands, right, in that as a baby form, and then to be able to take this. And this was as if it is Amboru Hasta, as if sitting on a lotus, because Vasudeva is holding his hand like this, right? So this is like a lotus. So as if on a lotus, Kala Hamsa Kishora Ramyam. So a small swan, right? Hamsa Kishora Ramyam. A small and beautiful swan is sitting on a lotus. Andamari, Krishna was there, and Vasudeva was lifting Krishna in his hands. So he's just describing and saying, he's such a, he's so gifted, that he's able to actually lift Krishna and carry him. This is stanza 8, yeah. So Tvat Preritas Tadanu Nanda Tanujayate, comma, Vyatyasamara Chayitum. If you want to break it, you can break it as Vyatyasam Ara Chayitum. Okay, so Vyatyasam Ara Chayitum Sahi Shura Sunuhu. Small nu, Shura Sunuhu. Tvam Hastayor Adrita. If you want to break it, Hastayor Adrita, or say it together as Hastayor Adrita. Hastayor Adrita Chitta Vidaryam Aryehi. So put a visarga at the end of that line. Chitta Vidaryam Aryehi, comma. Next line la Ramboru irundha and ra remove panni put a a. Amboru Hasta Kala Hamsa Kishora Ramyam.
So Rajesh, third line, Hastayoradhita nu potirukku.
Adrita.
So Hastayoradhrita.
Yeah, the last one.
Dhrudana and the Rishi Dhrita.
Drita, yeah. त्वत्प्रेरितस्तदनु नन्दतनूजयाते व्यत्यासमारचयितुं स हि शूरसूनुः त्वां हस्तयोरधृतचित्तविदार्यमार्यैः अम्बोरुहस्तकलहंसकिशोररम्यम्.
त्वत्प्रेरितस्तदनुनन्दतनूजयाते व्यत्यासमारचयितुं स हि शूरसूनुः त्वां हस्तयोरधृतचित्तविदारयम् विदार्यम् आरैः अम्बोरुहस्तकलहंस Kishoraramyam.
Priya, on the third line, Chitta Vidaryam Aryaihi.
Chitta Vidaryam Aryaihi.
Correct.
Tvat Preritas Tadanunandatanujayate व्यत्यासमार चयितुं सहिशूरसूनुः त्वां हस्तयोरधृतचित्तविधार्यम् आर्द्यैः अम्भोरुहस्तकलहं सकिशोररम्यम्
त्वत्प्रेरितस्तदनुनन्दतनुजया ते चयितुं सहिशूरसूनुः त्वां हस्तयोरधृतचित्तविधार्यमार्गैः अम्भोरुहस्तकलहंस किशोररम्यम् त्वत्प्रेरितस्तदनुनन्दतनुजया ते व्यत्यासमारचयितुं सहिशूरसूनुः त्वां हस्तयोरधृतचित्तविधार्यमार्गैः अम्भोरुहस्तकलहंस किशोररम्यम् அது chayitum, right? Is it chayitum? I'm stuck there.
Yeah. Vyatyasamara chayitum.
Okay, thank you.
9 and 10. I think we're going to run out of time. So the 9 and 10, just I'm going to quickly go through it and just one time Shana Priya and Sabita, right? Jata tadha pashupasadmani yoga nidra vimudrita mata krita pauralokam त्वत् प्रेरणात् किमिव चित्रमचेतनैर्यद् द्वारैः स्वयं भ्यगटि संघटितैः सुगाढम्. So now you in the Nandagopa house la Pashupa Sadmani, so the cowherd which is Nandagopa, in his house Yogamaya is born. So Durga is born, right, as Yogamaya in Nandagopa's house. And at your request, Tvat Preranat, at your request or at your command, whatever. So Yogamaya is now putting Nidra Vimudritam. She's putting all the people to sleep. So not just the people in where Vasudeva and they are all in the jail, not just those people went to sleep. Even the people in Gokulam also went off to sleep. So they all went into a state of sleep. And what is also surprising, Bhattacharya says here is the Achetane Yadwarehi, even the doors. So not just the people who are living who went off to sleep, even the doors which are kind of non-living entities, even which were closed, also now opened. So Vasudeva can actually take Krishna through. That's 9. So Jata Tada Pashupa Sadmani Yoga Nidra, comma, Nidra Vimudritam Athakrita, if you want to break it. So Nidra Vimudritam Athakrita Pauralokam Tvat Preranat Kimiva Chitram Achetanair Yad. Chitram Achetanair Yad, comma, Dwaraihi, put a is there. So Dwarais Swayam Byaghati Sangatitaihi, again put a is there. So Sangatitais Sugadham.
So the third line, Tvat Preranat Kimiha.
Kimiha, Kim. Yeah, I have Kimiha and Kimiva.
Kimiva இருக்கு என் bookல.
Kimiva இருக்கு எங்களுதுல.
ஆமா. Yeah, because the meaning is Kimiha, but the book says Kimiva. Okay, and I'll check பண்ணிட்டு சொல்றேன். Okay. So for now, keep it as Kimiva. I'll follow up and I'll tell what is the right word.
And the Chitramacheta Naryadva illa Nairyatva.
The
third. Because when you split it, it should end with third, yeah.
But because I think they want, technically, I think they wanted to Chetanair Yadu Dware. Actually, that line goes together. Third and fourth line go together. That's why that is. But when you actually split it, it should be Itta. So we can either say it together. If you want to say third and fourth line together, then that might make sense.
Okay.
Okay. So if we say Tvat Prayer Pauralokam Tvat Preranat Kimiva Chittam Achetanair Yad. But on the you lose the thing. Achetanair Yad Dware. If we land it as id, So त्वत्प्रेरणात् किमिव चित्रमचेतनैर्यद्वारैः स्वयं व्यगटि सङ्घटितैः सुगाढं. Let's say it like that then.
Plus போட்டுக்கலாம்
Plus
இல்லையா?
போட்டுக்கோங்க. ஆமா. Third line அப்புறம்.
And the
Just
first
say one
line
time first.
ஜாதா ததா பசுபஸ், அதுக்கப்புறம் என்னது அது?
பசுப சத்மனி.
சத்மனி.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Priya.
जाता तदा पशुपसद्मनि योगनिद्रा निद्रा विमुद्रितम् अताकृतपौरलोकम् त्वत्प्रेरणात् किमिव चित्रमचेतनैर्यत् द्वारैः स्वयं वयघटि संगतिटै
व्यगटि संघटितै
सुगाढम्.
जाता तदा पशुपसद्मनि योगनिद्रा निद्रा विमुद्रितमथाकृतपौरलोकम् त्वत्प्रेरणात् किमिव चित्रमचेतनैर्यद्वारैः स्वयं व्यगटि सङ्घटितैः सुगाढम्.
शेषेण भूरि फनवारितवारिनाथ स्वैरं प्रदर्शितपथो मणिदीपितेन त्वां धारयन् स खलु धन्यतमः प्रतस्ते सोह्यं त्वमीश मम नाशय रोगवेगान्. So Sheshena, so Adishesha now, Vasudeva is carrying Krishna through and it is raining and everything. Adishesha is coming up with all his hoods open so he can discard off the rain waters. And then also is you know the story, right? Yamuna opens up and so then Adishesha is also giving the diamond, the studs on his hood is actually giving the path, the light to Vasudeva. So with that, the blessed one set out, Twam Darayan, carrying you to go to Gokulam. So sa I am, so that Krishna, O Lord, mama nashaya roga vegan, so eliminate all of the ailments or diseases that I have. So then the 39th chapter is where the Vasudeva actually goes to Gokulam and then brings Yogamaya back and all that. All of that happens in 39. Sheshena Bhuri Phana Varita Varinatha, comma Swairam Pradarshita Patho Mani Deepitena Twam Dharayan Sakhalu Danyatamaha. You can put a if there to join. Danyatama Prataste, comma Soyam Twamisha Mama Nashaya Roga Vega. Sheshena Bhuri Phanavarita Varinata Swairam Pradarshita Patho Manidipitena Twam Dharayan Sakhalu Danyatama Pradaste Sohyam Twamisha Mamanashaya Roga Veghan.
शेषेण भूरि फणवारितवारिनाथ स्वैरं प्रदर्शितपतो मणिदीपितेन त्वां धारयन् स खलु धन्यतमः प्रतस्ते सोऽयं त्वमीश मम नाशय रोगवेगान्.
शेषेण भूरि फणवारितवारिनाथ स्वैरं प्रदर्शितपथो मणिदीपितेन त्वां धारयन् स खलु धन्यतमः प्रतस्थे सोऽयं त्वमीश मम नाशय रोगवेगान्.
कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः. सांध्रानन्दावबोधात्मकमनुपमितं कालदेशावदेभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानं अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानां कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.